Everybody, a very good afternoon. I'm Jasleen Kapani. I am, if you don't know, and if you already know, let me remind you, I'm Jasleen Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Setup in New Delhi, NCR, which is called I'm DEKOR and DESIGN Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, supplying, and customizing home and office. Interior solution products and accessories. We do corporate gifting as well, primarily luxury and premium, but we also do on special request affordable products, which are the fast moving ones available at home, offices, villas, guest houses, and for occasional gifting and buying on a everyday basis and stuff. You can check out my social media handle. We've got a professional Insta feed. Our website is not up due to various reasons, whatever. So we've got our catalogs in place and stuff. You can drop in anytime after fixing a meeting at Sector 8, Noida, to take a serious meeting or a purposeful meeting forward and stuff and all that. For vendors and suppliers, you can email me on Jasleen Kapani office at gmail.com, Jasleen Kapani. I am at gmail.com, at jkapani at gmail.com, just in case one of these is, not working and emails are bouncing back, because in design, architecture, communication, branding, global business and stuff, there are lots of big, catalogs that go in. So sometimes the space gets blocked and stuff. Okay. So my share here is about a unique concept called ABCDE. The aim of this program was to make people and have minds become more optimistic when facing setbacks and stuff. There's so many setbacks we have: health, financial losses, relationship loss, your deal didn't work, or so many of them. I mean, I don't want to sound pessimistic or negative, but in the reality of life, we have losses many a times and stuff and all. Friendships don't work and all that, so all of that. But the point is, how do you remain more optimistic when facing these setbacks? So it's called ABCDE. It's pretty interesting because it's a program which was designed by some coaches who are promoting the science of happiness, on becoming more optimistic in life and stuff. अगर आप optimistic हैं, positive है, तो थोड़ा और हो सकते हैं आप. So it is called adversity, belief, consequence, dispute, and energize. And it says that when you believe in the positive outcomes, that's when most of the things happen to you. But some people don't know that they themselves have a bad intention or a belief about something, maybe a job, maybe a order, maybe a friendship, maybe a relationship, maybe about reaching your gym on time, maybe not being able to make it on time, maybe not whatever. You tell yourself all these negative things and stuff, and what happens? Things don't work. And on the other side, when you're kind of more positive about it, and you're more pervasive, permanent, and you're more resilient, that's one way when you're going to be distancing yourself from this small self perspective, where you're actually internalizing emotions and saying, it's never going to work for me, it's not going to happen for me, I'm never going to be able to do it, I'm never going to get there, it's never going to happen, or whatever. So these are kind of negative lingos that we feed people. And it's not like positive or super optimistic people don't have these negative thoughts, but the point is to not dwell on it, not to think on it too much. So if you keep thinking about it, yaar, ye to hone nahi wala, so you already kind of decided in your head ki hoga nahi. So the point is this, that there is a positive to that you're not going to mess it up. You're not going to mess it up. So it works a little differently depending on the situations and stuff and all that. Okay. So now, what is the share and the author saying? The author says that we are at times internalizing the responsibility, or we are projecting it on other people. And if you are someone who internalizes this responsibility of a negative outcome, you cannot see that the problem is only permanent, and so the problem is only temporary and not permanent. And when there are other things going on in your life, you're so focused only on those things, because you're overtly kind of in your own space, in your own domain, kind of egoistic about it and stuff. Pardon me, I usually avoid using these words on ego and stuff like that, but this is what the author is sharing here. So He says that what are optimists or people who are forever positive, they are the ones who are kind of diminishing or getting over their personal feelings by turning their attention elsewhere or moving on to better things in life and stuff. Whereas pessimists, all the time, what they do is extrapolate negativity to all aspects of their life. So sometimes they won't even have a solution. Sometimes they'll say we don't understand it much. Sometimes they're going to undermine themselves. Sometimes they are like, this is the way it happened in the past, this is the way it's going to be and stuff. So the point is, every time you get over this mental conditioning of yours, try and fill yourself with positive thoughts and positive thinking and stuff, where you're looking at a positive future, you're actually energized by this learned optimism and stuff. So कई लोग कहते हैं ना कि कोई बदल नहीं सकता, but the point is that if you were to follow certain school of thoughts of prayers or spirituality and stuff, people can actually change. But the person has to be willing to change and stuff. So if you believe in that, it's going to happen and stuff for you as well. So, what are the ways to kind of be more optimistic? First of all, start writing down the thoughts which are negative in your head every day and start focusing on the positive of what could go right and stuff. When you go ahead that way, you're basically imagining the best possible outcome, the best possible for yourself, the best possible for your team and stuff. So go for it and do it, okay?